been a rough season, roughest of seasons. We have a little blemish right here and there, a lot of blemishes, but we just use our little blend and a blend team, patch here, patch there, built on a very sturdy foundation, and it's lined properly. And we have our setting spray ready and waiting for all angles. So we expect to come out on top after all brushes have been laid down and set aside. So yeah, it's gonna be a great victory for us. Look out for it.
Well, you know, it's been a tough break. We've come through a lot. My team we trained very hard. But the other team, they have a lot of blemishes. Them say them have a little bit, but I don't know where they're getting that from. In the semi-finals, we killed LeBron's James to get here, and we're gonna push forward. Yeah, we're playing beautifully. I would say Fenty-like, if I had to describe it. You have any questions? Well, you know, we're gonna approach it with just masterclass. We have a lot of things up our sleeves, as you can see. The other team, I don't know, they don't have any sleeves. They don't have much sleeves, but we're gonna come out and we're gonna work hard and we're gonna fight. And we can't predict it, but it's ours. It's ours.
Hey guys, it's your girl Cyn.
I'm Arielle.
So today we have our friends with us. We have our friend Quaid.
We're not friends with Keely, but he's here.
We have Uncle 876 on Twitter if you know him.
Yeah, we'll put their handles.
Yeah. So basically today we had a little challenge for them, you know. We're going to have them do our makeup. We're going to have them, you know. We're not gonna like tell them the steps or anything. We're going to have them do our makeup, and it's like a little challenge. Yeah. Who's gonna do the our makeup the best?
Yes.
Gonna have a beat.
So we have some rules.
They can't.
The rules are they can't like ask us what goes where or anything like that, and they get one emergency call to somebody that they can, I guess,
help them. I guess.
Yeah, they only get one through the entire segment.
Yeah. So
wherever they feel they need the most help, they just call.
And basically we've like lined out the products. We're not gonna tell them like what goes where, but we told them like the steps in which the products go.
Yeah, so we told them eyebrows, eyes, face, yada yada yada, all that jazz.
Yeah, so if you guys wanna see, wait, make sure you subscribe. I see you guys watching.
Sure.
Where's the subscriptions?
Really?
You know you're gonna come back.
Subscribe.
So just subscribe.
Make sure.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna start with is our face. So we're gonna prime and then move on to the next steps.
Prime like Amazon. Hello, that's a banger. For more jokes, check me out on my hygiene. But the first thing to start with the prime, we started the pore filler, the NYX. Thank you.
The one that says something another primer. This is what we're gonna use. And we're gonna, I think that brush I will use. I want some help. No.
So first you take the primer and rub it on.
I don't feel like it's like you put it on the spun. Yo, this hard to come out, brother.
Have you ever been making like dumplings? So you take it out and you knead it in your hands. You come like this.
Him have it wrong.
You have to hold her face very strong so it doesn't move.
I rub it in the brush. So you know, get a more even distribution. Distribution is key. See, this now right.
So we have the ball knocking 1-2 very from early, not 1-2 on the 18-yard box. Just look out for the screamer.
Alright, go some. Yeah. Them don't know say I have to do that, you know. But we are teaching them right now. I'm step back a little bit. Your neck, hold up your neck. Because we don't want to have 3 colors.
There we go. Well rubbed in.
My next step is that I set my primer.
Why are you rubbing it on my knee?
Okay, so since the next step is setting my primer, I'm not gonna tell him which powder to use.
She gave me 2 because she's rich, so I'll just choose. Yeah, they put on a white one in one of the videos. I'll go with this one, I'll go with the lighter one, isn't it?
For noting, my player doesn't set her face because her face is very sensitive, so we can use the organic products around here.
That's not why. I have dry skin.
Yeah.
Remember the white thing though, you didn't do it for your last video.
Looking very dusty.
I like your eye for me, darling. Alright.
So my face is set according to my coach here. So the next step is
eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
And I set my eyebrows.
Take the eyebrow brush and So I brush it away from the scalp.
From the scalp.
So I ensure that the hair is rooted down properly. Then I go over on this side. I'd advise you get on some like some slashes in the eyebrow.
Definitely.
Alright, we're gonna go. We don't go away from the scalp, we go away from the nose. The nose. Away from the nose.
So we're gonna set the eyebrow now.
We haven't put anything in it.
So we have to.
Alright. You feel like it well brushed?
Okay. Okay.
I'm supposed to put something. I never do TV. I can't draw this straight.
Why am I smell like food?
Smell like banana. Show off my frog. Wow, looking beautiful. Looking stunning. Come here to me, girlie.
We just gotta put it on the top, because I want to put on the bottom of it so it look too good. Yeah, we have a eraser. Yo, one of them thicker than one of them. We'll catch it back.
So as you really realize, both eyebrows are currently one twin. Very well.
One twin.
Look at that gloss. It's glossy. And I think we're finished.
I feel like your eyebrows are good.
Now we're gonna clean up our eyebrows. We've already had them filled in. Also, we're not looking like in a mirror or anything.
Yeah, so this is going to be a surprise.
They don't need to look because they're very beautiful looks. If I'm so myself, looking glossy and shelly. No, it's looking slain.
Slain?
Slain.
Past tense. A 10 out of 10. That's the 10 that I know.
Oh, God. So we do. I'm using a LA girl. LA girl! Come concealer.
I'm gonna put it on two steps. You kind of flat it up. Alright. Like paint it.
Why are you making a box around my eyebrows?
Come on, play box to box. Come on.
Yeah.
I can rub out,
No.
but that don't do good. That don't do
So I go for my beauty blender right here and do like this.
good. Woo! Yo, I don't like how them laugh still, you know. Like, we don't know how you do, brother.
You don't know what you're doing.
Actually.
Don't worry, guys, been talking about legendary Jackie Aina.
I was a masterclass finger painter.
In kindergarten.
Yeah, so that's why I'm using that skill right now.
Cynara, if I get started, I might talk like this for long.
Hold on. Sometimes you have to then for don't say I like brother, so we are bringing her back up. Yo, it's Colleen! Colleen!
Alright.
Your name is Colleen. Colleen!
I'm coming to you right now from mid-pitch. I'm Uncle. This is my player right here, Miss Levy. And right now, it's a part of the match where we're going to use our luxury powder by Ben at NYE. Benai. The flavor of this is banana.
It's flavor. Not flavor, it's shape.
Banana. That's a close eye, my friend. Of course I use close. I'm sure you guys have seen Victoria's Next Top Model. So this is
What that model?
looking so slim, friend. Looking fleek.
Okay, so guys, now we're gonna move on to our eyeshadow. We're gonna see what they can do. We each gave them like one palette and then they're gonna like choose from it.
Yeah.
And
So
they're gonna do what they want to do.
Yeah.
I can see guys, we have a plethora. Let me repeat that one for you. It's a big word, you might want to Google that.
I'm almost pretty sure it's a TH.
A plethora of palettes.
Wait, yeah, it look like a topic, like shoes brush.
Wow, glowing, glow, slices.
Why are you holding down my eyelash?
Oh my god, listen. You know, I seen it. It's bad. That's a makeup bad, brother.
Calling this style the champ. Yeah, look at her. To feel like a champ right now. Smiling to the bank right now, hey. Makeup this a glisten right now. Done by Uncle 876, yeah.
Why did you plug your Twitter?
Thank you.
The man keep on doing it. Yeah, the man have big followers. Want a hombre eyebrow? Hombre.
Have you guys heard about Macintosh? This is their brush. The one that makes Apple computers, they make what is them again? Eye brushes again. So look out for the Mac. So get a new Mac with the iPhone. New Mac brush with the iPhone and style it.
Let's act. Okay, so guys, our next step is
Or eyelashes.
yeah.
And
so
they're struggling.
How you guys feeling?
It's very, very positive, very strong, you know. Been preparing for a long time. This is hard work and preparation currently.
So why you use your phone call? If you are prepared, right? So prepared. I'm gonna use my phone call. I'm not prepared. Hi. Okay. So answer this good. Okay. I'm going to flip around the camera. She does her makeup yet, you know. I need some help. That's.
Wow!
No, it look good, man. I especially tell me for the.
I don't think so.
Yeah, but wait, to the competition there.
Who do the eyebrows? First of all.
And me do everything. No, man. We don't need help there, sir. I just the eyelash we need some help with, you know. Which one of them me use?
How am I gonna see him?
Oh, I think they're different. Like different size eye. The one after the eye.
It's big, I need to cut off these.
That's a cut?
Could you get a shake? You nervous?
Not nervous, is she even nervous? That is enough?
Yeah. And then I'm gonna blow it little now, make it get tacky.
Achoo. You good now?
My blind girl.
Achoo. It's not blue. We need the next one. Yo, it not shape out. It not shape out your eye now, man. This look good. Put your arm, see something. It look good.
It's actually not that bad.
That don't make no sense. Come on.
We never seen nobody use girl put on makeup eat.
He's wiping it on my shirt.
He's moving it so gently.
Is what I'm doing.
Only the Lord knows.
Oh!
No, that one is lean, but that one is going good. Yo, that not going too bad. I like that shake. Alright, thanks. Thank you very much, Dad.
Thank you.
Thanks. So we just did her eyelashes with her helpline. So we're about to do mine, and Uncle is asking for his helpline. So we're gonna do that right now.
Oh, my friend.
Hello.
Good day, now.
How are you? Yes, let me see.
Alright, I have one eyelash right there. Right there. Oh, go ahead, sir. Alright, that's been peeled off. Yeah, I'm gonna glue up on it, so it's cool. Then on.
Alright, and then get the glue.
Instructions.
And then what?
Alright, and then apply like a really thin layer.
Which part?
All across the band.
Yes, sir?
On the lash there. And then on the two ends.
Yes, sir?
Apply like a little bit more.
Yes, sir?
Make sure it's
Yes, she said
yeah, and then
ends.
like on the top, not the end, you know, like.
Don't do now.
Alright, and make it dry a little bit. You can air dry it. Just tap it and see if it's tacky or if it's liquidy, don't put it on yet. If it's tacky, then you can put it on.
Are you? I should have called.
It's still liquid.
Alright, then wait a little bit.
It take too long, you know. Oh, my eyelash. Oh, my friend, look, you look very hairy, you know.
No, that's not something.
On the end,
No, she have three
on her left side, I'm pretty sure, on the side you're on.
Mm-hmm.
No, on the side you're on.
Mm-hmm.
Squeeze the lash and her lashes together a bit.
Right, you don't get them instruction here. Look good, brother.
Yeah, boy, I lose, I do something.
That's due to my makeup.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Bye.
Later.
Okay, guys, so they just got their helpline
Helpline.
calls, and this is the end result.
Our eyelashes are on
Hopefully, they
for
stay
the
on.
most part.
Hopefully.
When she blink, it's whirlwind. I'm telling you.
Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is our foundation.
Yeah.
You squeeze it or just tilt it. I do. You press it.
Okay, yes.
Some pump.
So also using the Revlon color stay. Pick up Revlon in the name there.
Oh, Fenty we I use Fenty cover rich and happy. I'll bring it back.
Hopefully, you can.
Look at him wiping it. These are being in circular motions.
So you're
So there's a certain way for it. Like angle or something.
you're perpendicular. You're a nerd.
Yeah, you get better. Sometimes I have to study makeup to know about makeup, you know.
My friend, glow.
Wait till me highlight that.
Oh wow!
Oh, someone know about bronze, but the bronze and the silver and the gold over here.
Good now, to come together.
I feel you.
Come together.
You shouldn't.
Yo, wait till you see here.
Guys, how is it looking?
He's rubbing on my edges.
Am I looking gorgeous?
You don't look 6 body now. Watch out, hold up your neck. Okay, I have 6 stone.
Blending, call it blending.
You know, see we blending you.
You know what's funny? Even somebody else is doing your makeup, they still take long. Okay, we just did our foundation and now we're gonna highlight and all that madness.
Yeah.
So let's get a jump on.
Here's the highlight for our faces. Bring the features where light hits our faces forward.
Oh.
So never concealer.
That's our eyebrows. We have to conceal, like highlight our face.
What concealer? Use your hand, girl.
Let me back here.
You can.
Why do you have to always use my hand?
You never see when Jackie and I highlight her face skinny and some part of it lighter than the other.
I can have 20-minute long video. I'm not going to watch that. This was the first 2 minutes I'm going to bed.
One. Yo, you have to concentrate on our nose stick. If our nose. Like an arrow, like an avatar arrow on my nose.
Kimmy's rubbing a circle on my face.
Why you laughing, my brother?
Bro!
Yo, oil lighting. Oil lighting.
Are you looking bruv? Say bruv.
Bruh.
Yeah.
She not trust it.
We're bruffing.
Oh, I remember what you did do. Like I did do a tree.
Are you trying to roll on my chin?
The crimson! Chin chin.
Yo, that look good enough. Oh my god.
Rudolph at the red-nosed reindeer. Oh.
Hold on, turn.
I don't see hers at all.
See there?
You guys are content. You've seen women beat their faces before and you think
You're okay.
this is what the highlighting part looks like.
I feel like you're asking me too much time. I'm going a little bit more.
But highlight for your glow, dog. This is not glow, brother. So why you gonna use concealer for highlight? In highlight, have a different name.
You have highlighters, like cream highlighters that you use to bring forward the features of your face with the light hit.
Yes.
And then when you set all of that, you have shimmer highlight just to add glow to the high point. To the high point.
Yeah, let's over there now.
We're not there yet.
So what sense me I put on this to conceal even more?
No, we know what I'm doing.
I mean, put the cheap one top.
Yo, shout out to Protege on your Grammy nomination.
Yeah, we support you. We stand.
We stand.
Name 2 proteges,
First
Not
of all, I
money.
can sing every song from his first album.
What first album name?
7 Year Itch.
It's at the 7-year itch.
And then I'm coming home. 7 Year Itch.
Alright, you know what? They said they've highlighted, so
Yes.
this is the highlighting that has happened.
Take it in.
Sure.
Okay,
Alright,
so
we're gonna like sit.
set our faces
I'm
now.
not set already.
No, we have to
No,
set the
set the
highlighting
highlights.
part.
Yo, this not look good. Me tell us that dark one which I use, you know. So you got some time. Alright, now rotate this. Oh yeah, man. You have to tell them to do that thing. You look like Duffy. Alright.
Now like Frankenstein.
Hold on, let me lift up your neck right. You see the people right there, so kind of light.
When collarbone.
You can't make when you take picture right, that's a light and right, that's a dark.
You guys are concentrating so hard.
Alright guys, this is part of the dance where we're going to highlight their faces. I'm using the Becca by Becca highlight.
I'm using, maybe it's Maybelline. Master Chrome. See, that's sealer.
So when highlighting, we'll highlight the high points of their face. So
We're gonna highlight the cheek bones and the nose bones.
and at the forehead and everything there.
We want to glow. Alright, not that much.
You want me to do my whole face? You want me to do my whole face?
This one. Go on, fine.
Kimmy, why you keep swirling it around?
So it have a swirling.
God love, listen. Yeah, beautiful, yes.
Kimmy, that's my whole face.
No, the high point of your face. Remember, say your face is very
Hi.
high.
Am I shining? You know, am I popping? Is it glowing? Like,
At Christmas time when you look like an ornament, listen to me.
Sparkling. A sparkle. Where's Parker? Take off my glasses.
Glove.
That's Parker.
So next we're gonna set our faces.
I get how much time I sit in the
No, I did
face?
spray. Like we're gonna spray.
Oh, set it spray.
Oh, 5 minutes for this. You afraid?
No.
No afraid enough? That's shit for.
I'm not.
Whoa, blow, whoa! Me tell you, I'm too close.
No, it's supposed to be wet.
Oh, I feel like running and never get no turn.
That was your hair.
Give me those done spray, please.
Box juice!
So we just did our face and set and highlight and everything. We're glowing.
Glowing.
So now they're gonna put on lipstick or whatever on us.
We're gonna outline her lip because they're luscious.
Give me the nose of your hand.
I like it. Alright, now we're gonna choose.
Okay.
He's a lucky eye.
You have to close your eyes.
You're putting on lipstick.
Nobody talk over there.
You hold it.
I don't know how to hold it.
Why? God? Are you having cheese or something? I forgot to see it later.
I'm not looking a bit. Close it. Close it. Wait, okay, now. I'll wipe off the excess from
okay.
some. So, come on, lick. Yeah. Bad idea. Don't do this, people. Don't wipe it off.
Did you wipe off my foundation?
No, man, it better, man. It's a phone same way.
Like, what you guys think? How you feeling? I feel like I'm very confident in my coach. I feel like his skills were above par. He came in with knowledge. He came in with skills. He had the gloves. Y'all know it's popping. Y'all know it's good. I feel like we're winning. I'm very confident.
Anyway, I feel like my coach came with the creativity, you know, the love, the passion. You know, we think outside of the box. We like to glow. We love to, you know, make new boundaries. We like to push them and make new ones. So that's what we came here and that's what we did.
Is that what you call a
So-
trash look?
It's called avant-garde.
Avant who?
I mean, here it is.
We're the Travis Scott of makeup.
Facts.
When it comes to me, or look at this look. Yeah, look at that.
Slaying.
She's slaying. Everything is dead in the show. Look at that.
Watch our lipstick lean like. Get them here on up.
What are you doing so much? I want to be wipe it off.
Really try. Alright. I tell you, we got this in the back. Yo. Yeah, I did now.
Okay, so now it's time for the big reveal, guys. we have our mirrors. We're gonna see what our face looks like. We're gonna see what's popping. We're gonna see what's good. Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
They look good. They look so bad. They could have been Arielle.
It's actually not terrible.
It's not. I tried my
It's
best.
actually not.
I mean,
Wow, the lips are nice.
you're welcome.
Maybe good for the lips and the lips and the lips.
And the highlighter isn't terrible. Like the foundation is. I have no eyebrows. What is your eyeshadow?
Honestly, I don't mind the glow. Like, I don't mind my face being like
Right here
glowy.
is glowing.
Okay, never mind.
So guys, definitely like comment down below which
Tell us what you
look.
think.
Yeah, who you think won? Do you think his team? Wait a minute. My ear. Oh
Or is team uncle with the glasses?
no. Glasses.
Glasses. Let's surface.
Do you
Let's
feel
surface.
it? Okay,
Check it
let's-
out.
Take off the glasses.
Smiling.
Yeah, thanks guys. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks guys for tuning in. Make sure you follow both of these guys on Twitter. They're very hilarious.
You guys know Uncle 876.
And you have at
Quaid. You know, we keep putting their names
like
all
right
over the
here.
place.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below what you think of the finished looks. Make sure you interact. Hey, yeah,
Subscribe.
you coming closer. I'm talking to you.
Yeah. See them lipstick there, better subscribe.